Alright, so I decided today I am going to dig up my sweet potatoes and see what I got. I planted them back in late May, early June. I started with 6 sweet potato slips. It grew into this massive amount of vines. They were just sprawling all over the ground and everything. I actually had to prune them back. And it's starting to get cold out, so I decided I'm going to dig them up and see what I get before the frost hits and everything. So follow along, I'll see what I got here. Oh my God, look at the size of these sweet potatoes. I cannot believe the size of these sweet potatoes. Look at the size of these things, they're gigantic. Maybe I should have picked them a little sooner, huh? Oh my God. Look at the size of these sweet potatoes. Vine, right? One sweet potato slip right there. Alright, so these are the sweet potatoes I got from the 6 sweet potato slips that I planted. And if you're not familiar with what the slips are, basically you take a sweet potato, you put it in some water, it'll grow the little vines off of it, and then you pick those off and put those in water, and those will grow roots, and you plant those. So I did plant, I think it was 4 purple sweet potato slips and 2 traditional like orange sweet potatoes. And the purples are just a purple skin, they're orange on the inside. But I mean, look at the size of some of these sweet potatoes I got out of this. I mean, this is just a nice little cluster of pretty good sized ones, but I mean, some of these are just gigantic sweet potatoes here. I mean, look at this thing, it's almost a foot long sweet potato. So this is a purple one. You can see the skin's kind of more of a pink purplish color, and this is an orange one. But look at the size of these sweet potatoes. I mean, I'm just shocked here. I probably could have picked these a little sooner. I didn't realize they were growing so big. I kind of did reach down in the ground and saw that there were potatoes formed. I just had no idea they're this gigantic. So I'm going to get these cleaned up a little bit and get them curing, and I hope they taste as delicious as I'm expecting. But if you're interested in growing sweet potatoes, very easy. They grow a nice vine, they grow nice little purple flowers. It's a very interesting plant to grow, so give it a shot. It's fun, and see, it's my first time growing them and I didn't have any trouble, so give it a shot. All right, I'm gonna get these things cleaned up.